Hey folks, welcome back to Harmony Hollow. I wanted to show y'all an easy build for a solar wax melter. This is one that I've had in a shed for probably 13, 14 years. Haven't used it in a long time, and I really needed to use one because my more current one was weather damaged from being in the backyard for so long. So I pulled this one out of the shed and got it back into operation and wanted to show y'all a quick and easy build and what it can do for melting your wax for you. Enjoy. Alright, here is our solar wax melter. This is a 45 quart cooler with a piece of plexiglass that's been trimmed out to fit, and then used foil tape to tape the lid on, or tape the glass onto the lid. So we're going to take the lid off. This run of wax is from wax cappings from harvesting honey this last week, and I ran it for part of a day yesterday. Alright, so we've got a vegetable steamer that's been lined with paper towels, and then we put the wax inside and it melts through. And this is hot right now, so I'm going to use a stick to raise this up. Alright, and then here is the wax that has melted from today's batch, and I'm about to take that inside and pour it into cubes. I'm going to set this aside on my old wax melter. Alright, got something to protect my hands with now. That handle is very hot. I'm going to take this inside and get it poured. Alright, I've got a hot pad thing. Ow, 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 that's freaking hot. I did not protect my hands. For those of you wondering, these are silicone ice cube trays. I got them from Walmart several years back. They were on sale. You could probably get them on other online sources as well. They've got different shapes you can get too that are kind of neat. Alright, there's a little honey that was still in the wax, so as that comes to the top, I'm going to stop the pour and pull it back, and then I will probably pour it just into a cube by itself so we can clean that up. Alright, I'm going to pour the rest of this into one. That'll solidify, then I can rinse off all the honey. Alright, while the steamer basket is still hot with the old melt, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the paper towels, and I will put fresh paper towels in, and we'll put fresh wax in for this next melt. I'm going to set that there. It'll cool off and solidify overnight, and we can use these as fire starters in campfires. Alright, in the cooler I've got a pot, and then I'm going to set a real catch basin there because my basket does fit in there nicely. And I'm going to set my basket on here, and then I'm going to line it with paper towels. See how well I can do this with one hand. I'm the one who always loves when people have tripods because it makes it a lot easier to see what's going on in a steady way. Okay, there's that, and then I put a little piece on the sides here. Alright, so we've got one big piece here, and then I tore one in half to put on each side where the paper towels come down low. And this is my filter. That's it. So here's more wax cappings I'm going to be putting in here. for the next melt. And the sun may be a little low in the sky today, but we're going to go ahead and get done what we can. Alright, we've got the basket loaded up with the wax cappings that are left from my last harvest. And we're going to put the lid on. Make sure it's tied all the way around. And we're going to line this up so it's kind of in the line of the sun so the most sunlight comes in there. And let it do its thing.